Imagine reaching for a glass of water. It feels simple, a direct command from you to your hand. But this is an illusion. Before your arm even begins to move, a part of your brain has already quietly simulated the entire action. It has calculated the necessary trajectory, the precise muscle tension for the weight of the glass, and the final position of your fingers. This silent, predictive engine is your cerebellum, running what neuroscientists call a forward model of your body and the world. It's not just issuing commands, it's living a few milliseconds in the future to preview what your movement will accomplish. This constant prediction is essential because it is the foundation for immediate, unconscious error correction. As you reach for that glass, a flood of sensory information flows back from your arm, your muscles, and your eyes. The cerebellum meticulously compares this real-time data to its initial prediction. Was the glass slick with condensation? Is your hand moving a millimeter too far to the left? Any mismatch, no matter how small, generates a sensory prediction error. This signal isn't a sign of failure, it is the mechanism of learning. It is a rapid, subconscious update to the motor plan, a correction made too fast for your conscious mind to ever notice. This predictive loop isn't just for simple tasks. It scales to orchestrate symphonies of movement. Consider the act of typing on a keyboard. You don't consciously direct each individual finger press. Your cerebellum is managing a cascade of future movements, predicting the path to the E key while your finger is still lifting off the H. It bundles entire sequences, like typing a common word, into a single, smooth command. The physical structure of the cerebellum is unique, containing more neurons than the rest of the brain combined. Its surface is a vast, tightly folded sheet packed with crystalline arrays of Purkinje cells, a design perfectly suited for running millions of these tiny, parallel simulations at once. Now, just stand up. The profoundly complex act of not falling over is one of the cerebellum's greatest predictive achievements. Your body, balanced on two small points, is an inherently unstable system, constantly in a state of controlled falling. Your cerebellum continuously predicts your future center of gravity based on a torrent of data from your inner ear's vestibular system, your eyes, and the thousands of pressure sensors in the soles of your feet. Before you even begin to lean too far, it sends anticipatory corrective signals to your leg and core muscles. You are not consciously reacting to being off balance. Your brain is proactively preventing you from ever becoming unstable in the first place. Perhaps the most profound evidence of this predictive power comes from experiments that measure the timing of a decision. Using EEG, scientists can detect a specific brain wave called the readiness potential. This wave of neural activity, signaling the preparation for a voluntary movement, begins to build a full half-second or even longer before a person reports being consciously aware of their own decision to move. Your cerebellum and other motor areas have already consulted, planned, and initiated the action. Your conscious thought, "I will lift my finger now," appears to be one of the last updates in the process. It suggests you are not so much the pilot of your body, but an observant passenger being informed of maneuvers just after they have been launched.
Monotony has grown fast. Nearly 2,700 people have watched in the last few weeks, yet less than 0.03% are subscribed. It would mean a lot if you joined by hitting subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.